If your thermostat display is frozen or locked up, it can totally mess with keeping your home comfy, but fixing it is usually way easier than you think. So, first off, try resetting the thermostat by turning it off and then back on. Or if it has a reset button, hold that down for a few seconds. Sometimes, just giving it a fresh start clears out whatever glitch is causing the freeze. Next, check if your thermostat needs a firmware update anytime SAF. Manufacturers often roll out updates to fix bugs and improve performance. You can usually find update instructions on the brand's website or app. Just follow those steps carefully. If your thermostat runs on batteries, swap them out because low power can cause the screen to lock up. Also, make sure the device is clean and no dirt or dust is blocking any sensors or buttons. If you have a smart thermostat, rebooting your Wi-Fi router might help, since connectivity issues can make the display act weird. Another trick is to unplug the thermostat's base from the wall for about 30 seconds and reconnect it, which can reset internal circuits. Keep in mind, if none of these tips work, it might be time to contact customer support or consider replacing the unit. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat issues is ignoring firmware updates, which can cause the device to freeze or lag because old software has bugs. Fix this by regularly checking for and installing updates. Another common problem is not resetting the thermostat properly. Just turning it off doesn't always do the trick. Use the reset button or unplug it for a moment to force a full reboot. Lastly, folks often forget to check their batteries, and weak power can lead to display problems. Swapping batteries out every year keeps things running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners trying to find trustworthy local contractors for repairs or upgrades. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors looking to connect with people who actually need their services.